Hi everyone, it's Rosie here and welcome back to the Beauty Files. Today I've been tagged by the beautiful Lauren Day Makeup and I'm doing the 7 deadly sins of beauty questions. Now I have my computer in front of me and I'm going to go one by one and we will start with the questions. Greed. What is your most expensive beauty item? The most expensive one I have is this Ineca eyeshadow and it's in Thunder. And this cost me about $30 and it's like a teeny little eyeshadow. But I'll say this, it's a really good eyeshadow. What is your most inexpensive beauty item? My most inexpensive product would be this Australis lip gloss and this cost me about $1 at Target. It was in one of those discount bins and yeah, it's a really nice color too. I'll show you. See, it's like a sort of peachy sheer color. I'll just swatch it for you. See? It's really nice. I like it. Number 2, Wrath. What beauty products do you have a love-hate relationship with? Love-hate relationship is nail polish. I love wearing nail polish because it's a really fun way to give your look a little bit of oomph. But my problem is that it takes forever to dry and it's really annoying because whenever you're doing anything, if you're just picking up something, if you knock it a little bit, it gets like a massive dent in it and it always smudges and it's messy and smelly and no, it's not that much fun to do. This one in particular, this Wet n Wild polish in Lost is really, really good and it's an awesome color. What product has been the hardest to get? Number 3, Gluttony. What are your most delicious beauty products? Definitely one of my most delicious products would be the Nature's Organics Fruits Conditioner in Wild Berry. This smells great. It smells a bit like a strawberry milkshake actually. And the best part is, it's only $1.80. Awesome! Okay, number 4, Sloth. What beauty product do you neglect due to laziness? Number 5, Pride. What beauty product gives you the most self-confidence? I would probably say foundation because I have acne scarring and I have dark circles under my eyes and I like to be able to cover that up. And I also think bronzer because it helps me to have a nice glow and, you know, it makes you feel good. Number 6, Lust. What attributes do you find most attractive in the opposite sex? Let me see. Well, I love eyes. If a guy has really nice eyes, oh. I also love arms and a really nice smile. But most of all, I have to say, and I mean, I know it sounds a little cheesy, but seriously, personality is everything. If a guy is super good looking, but he is as boring as all heck, then nah, I am not interested. But if he has, you know, a great personality and might not be Brad Pitt, that's what makes him really attractive to me. Number 7, Envy. What items would you most like to receive as a gift? I would really love, there's a brand called Groen and I think it's actually from Greece. And it's got this amazing body lotion and it's their Mandarin body lotion. Oh my lord, it smells amazing, but it is so expensive. I really want to get it though because it is so good. So thank you so much, Lauren, for tagging me. I really appreciate your support. Thank you all so much for watching and supporting me. It is just so wonderful. I love you all so much. Mwah! And that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. You've been watching The Beauty Files. Bye for now.